what year this thing is?
So this is early 75 block that we did. We did bigger valves, factory compression, milling cam, electronics, our ignition kit, proper carb, balanced cryo bottom end. I think it was 30 over. I want to say it was 30 over. Balanced, cryoed. Yeah, just a factory, nice little factory motor.
And you said it has larger valves?
Yeah, not our super big valves, but our larger valves.
So yeah, I mean, super basic build.
If you don't want to bump up compression and do anything crazy, then this is the way to do it. I consider it kind of a factory build because I'm not going nuts.
Yeah.
You know, there's a little blending, there's no major porting, but everything on the bottom end is tight and right, cryo balanced. You know, it's got a good cam in it, good ignition kit. Flows, the head's gonna flow a little bit better.
And I saw you taking off the parts over here. These all go with this particular engine, right?
Correct.
They
go with the truck, and then that way if there's an issue, then it stays with the truck and we can fix it per truck, per invoice, per person, per cruiser. And then we know everything's dialed and right. Everything's verified. Oil pressures, AFR. We know that there's no oil leaks, the ignition system's working properly, the cooling system's working properly. We put an alternator, test alternator on there, put a load on it, make sure it's tuned correctly, and that way it just goes out the door, verified by us. The cam's broken in, it gets a heat cycle, obviously valves get adjusted, yada yada yada, all that stuff's verified, so it'll just be a drop-in turnkey. Drop it in.